You have created an event plan. Now let's number those tables. Be sure to check you have selected your tables. Now click on Table Numbering. You will see this in your toolbar at the top, just below the Modify Table button. You will see on the right side, you have many choices for the sequence and direction for table numbering. Put your mouse over the images. You will also have a fantastic preview, so you can view what you are about to choose. Click the button to choose the sequence for numbering. You can choose to start at any number, or you can skip any numbers. So, let's do this once more. For this one, let's use theater style numbering. So, I'm now just adding a few chairs onto the plan. Now click on Numbering, and using the drop-down menu, choose Theater Style Numbering. I'm also going to tick the box for row lettering. Now, I have an option to show or hide the chair numbers. I can also select if the chairs face the opposite direction. So, I'm now choosing the direction for the numbering and it's done. Fast and easy.